Welcome to this quick guide on how to comment on a pin in Pinterest, updated for 2025. Commenting on pins is a great way to engage with the community and share your thoughts. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can interact with the content you find. Once you're on the home page, find the pin you want to comment on. You can scroll through your feed or use the search function to locate a specific pin that catches your eye. After you've found the pin, open it up. This will give you a larger view of the image and additional details. Look for the comments section, which is typically located below the pin image. Next, click on the comments button. This will open up a space where you can see existing comments and add your own. It's a great way to see what others are saying and get inspired. Now, click on the comment bar. This is where you'll type your thoughts. Whether you want to share your appreciation for the pin or ask a question, this is your opportunity to engage with other users. After you've written your comment, simply click Post. Your comment will now be visible to others who view that pin, allowing for interaction and discussion. Remember, commenting not only enhances your experience on Pinterest, but also helps build connections within the community. So don't hesitate, share your thoughts, and join the conversation. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily comment on any pin you like. Happy pinning!